Now that we have seen how to download the Git in the previous lecture, this is just to show you again. So we had this URL. I'll put that in the description again. So you're going to install it for your Mac or Windows or Linux based upon your operating system. And we are ready to go. Let's start our first GitHub. So before we are starting our creation of our GitHub repository, right? So we have two types of repository. One is remote and one is local. So remote repository is hosted on the server and it can be seen by all our members in the team. So it's on GitHub, the web application, so you can see it. And the local repository is nothing but on our local machine of the user. So now we are going to see how to initiate your local repository. So first of all, we'll actually have a folder created in any of the locations you want. And then after that, you're going to open your command prompt and then change your directory pointing to the folder that you have created. So for example, I have just given how you change it, like cd desktop, cd file name and stuff. And then you give git init and then the repository is initiated. So I'll just show you in the next lecture how to work on command prompt and see these changes. See you. Have a nice day.